Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket model. A crochet sofa blanket is a cozy decorative bit that you can drop over your sofa. It adds warmth, comfort and a touch of handmade charm to your living space. Here are some helpful tips for crocheting a cozy sofa blanket. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that is soft, durable and suitable for your desired blanket size. Bulky or super bulky yarns work well for sofa blankets as they create a warm and chunky texture. Pick up appropriate hook size. The recommended hook size depends on the yarn you chose. For super bulky yarn, an L11 by 8 mm hook is commonly used. Adjust the hook size if you want a tighter or looser stitch. Learn basic crochet stitches. Familiarize yourself with basic stitches like chain, single crochet and double crochet. These stitches form foundation of most crochet patterns. Start with a simple pattern. As a beginner, choose a straightforward pattern. A stripe or solid color blanket with repetitive stitches is a great starting point. Gauge matters. Check your gauge stitch count per inch to ensure consistent sizing. Adjust your tension if needed to match the recommended gauge. Count your stitches. Count stitches in each row to maintain the crochet pattern. Stitch markers can help you keep track. Weaving ends as you go. Don't leave all the weaving for the end. Tuck in loose yarn tails as you work to save time later. Block your blanket. After finishing, block your blanket to even out stitches and improve its appearance. Wet blocking or stream blocking can help shape the blanket. Add fringe or edging. Consider adding a decorative fringe or edging to finish your blanket. Fringe add a playful touch while edging provides a polished look. Enjoy the process. Crocheting is a relaxing and therapeutic. Enjoy the journey as you create something beautiful for your sofa. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy crocheting! A crochet sofa blanket is a type of blanket that is handmade using the crochet techniques. It is typically similar in size compared to a traditional bed blanket designed to cover a sofa or armchair for decoration or warmth. Crochet sofa blankets come in various patterns, colors and designs, allowing for customization to match different home decor styles. Here are some additional tips for crocheting a sofa blanket. Select a yarn that is soft, durable and easy to care for since the blanket will likely be used frequently on the sofa. Acrylic or cotton yarn are good choices for sofa blankets due to their washability and durability. The size of your crochet hook will determine the density and depth of your blanket. Use a hook size appropriate for the yarn you have chosen and the desired texture of your blanket. Use stitch markers. Stitch markers can be helpful for keeping track of stitch counts, marking pattern repeats, or indicating where to change colors. Try different textures. Experiment with different yarn textures to add interest to your blanket. You can combine smooth and textured yarns to alternate between different stitch patterns to create a unique look. Add embellishments. Consider adding embellishments like buttons, tassels, or appliques to personalize your blanket and make it truly one of a kind. Crocheting for extended periods can put a strain on your hands and wrist. Take regular breaks, stretch your hands, and consider using ergonomic hooks or taking up hands. Exercise to prevent discomfort and injury. Plan ahead for color changes. If your pattern requires frequent color changes, plan ahead to minimize the number of ends to weave in. Techniques like clearing yarn along the edges or using the Russian join method can help reduce the number of yarn trails to manage. Crocheting a sofa blanket is a creative and rewarding endeavor. Embrace the journey, embrace any mistakes and learning opportunities, and enjoy the satisfaction of completing a handmade piece that will add warmth and beauty to your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.